morning, everyone. I am Sharlene.
And I'm Jaco.
We're from Absolute Vehicle Systems. We're here today to talk a little about RMS rating versus wattage. Jaco, can you explain what the difference is so the customers
you know
can
what
understand?
RMS is? It means root means square. So very interesting. Sharlene, the RMS rating of a sub and amp, it's very important. Sometimes a sub, it says 5,000 watt and your amp says about maybe also 5,000 watt, but the RMS rating on them are a bit different. So it's very important to know that your RMS rating must match the sub and the amp. Like for instance, this one says a 5,000 watt sub, and but the RMS rating on this is 300 watt RMS. Sharlene, on 4 ohm, what does that sub, the energy audio says?
Yeah, on 4 ohm it only gives you 300 watt RMS.
So which means?
Which means it's perfect for that subwoofer. And this one says it's a 4,500 watt amplifier. But the sub rates higher at 5,000 watt. So there is where the difference comes in.
And it's very important to always let your sub and your amp's RMS rating match. Very important.
So Jaco, now that we have given the information to the customers about RMS ratings, please tell our customers where we are situated.
We are situated in number 24 Edison Square in Edison Street, and that is exactly next to Pukwit's Megatech in Southern Industrial Area. So if you come in the Southern Industrial Area, you know where Pukwit's Megatech is, the guys that sells the electrical equipment, lightning, cables and those things. If you stand in front of them, right next to you, on your right hand side is Edison Square. You go inside, the first turn off in the complex, on your right hand side is our alley that we are situated in. You just look for the signage, number 24, Edison Square, Edison Street.
Thank you very much, Jaco.
Thank you.